Hello everyone. So in this video I am repeating the same topic what I had discussed in the previous video. So why? Because as I said, there are four basic feedback topologies. So these feedback topologies have each topologies have different names. Each topology has been called with 2 to 3 names. So where you may get confused with the names itself. So I just wanted to repeat it. So before we are discussing each amplifier in detail, first you should know what happens in each amplifier. What is the input and what is the output, why it is called with that name. So why it is called by different name. Okay, so as I said, you have four types of amplifier: voltage amplifier, current amplifier, transconductance amplifier, transresistance amplifier. Okay, these are the names: voltage amplifier, current amplifier, transconductance amplifier, and transresistance amplifier. So first you should know, so in each amplifier, what is the input and what is the output. Okay, so in voltage amplifier, input is voltage and output is voltage, so no confusion. Okay, so voltage amplifier, input is voltage, output is also voltage. So in the current amplifier, input is current, output is current. Okay, this is also no confusion. Whereas in the transconductance amplifier, if you give input voltage, you will get the output as current. Okay, the transresistance is ulta for transconductance. That is, if you give input as current, you will get output as voltage. Okay, so keep in mind, so this is an amplifier with feedback. Okay, so input is voltage, output is voltage. Okay, so it is also called series shunt feedback. Okay, it is also called series shunt feedback. Why? Because at the input side we are giving the feedback signal in series with the input signal. Okay, so our input signal is, I'll write here, our input signal is Vs, feedback signal is Vf. Okay, so the input signal by connecting feedback. So now the input to the feedback is the source minus feedback signal. Vi is equal to Vs minus Vf. So when we are giving this Vi, so series shunt means that we are connecting a feedback signal to the input signal in series, and shunt means at the output side we are connecting the output to the feedback structure in parallel. That is, the output to feedback connection is shunt. Shunt means parallel. Here input to feedback signal is series. That is why this refers to input side, this refers to output side connection. Okay, so and also this voltage amplifier is also called series shunt feedback. Okay, and it also called voltage series feedback. Okay, so voltage refers to the output is voltage. Okay, and series refers to at the input we are connecting in series. Okay, it is also called voltage amplifier, series shunt feedback amplifier, and voltage series feedback amplifier. So I'll repeat: voltage refers to at the output we are taking the voltage. Series refers to at the input we are connecting the feedback signal in series to the input signal. Okay, so I'll repeat again. So voltage amplifier, so input is voltage, output is also voltage. It is also called series shunt feedback. Series shunt because the connection is at input side, the connection is in series, the feedback to the amplifier connection is series. At the output side, the output signal and feedback amplifier is connected in parallel. So voltage series is we are getting the output as voltage, and series is at this output voltage, that is feedback signal, we are connecting in series. I understand this is very confusing. So that's why I have repeated twice. So sit calmly and try to analyze it. Okay, so the next is current amplifier. So in the current amplifier, the input is current and output is current. Amplify an input current signal and provide an output current signal. Okay, so input is current, output is current. So keep one thing keep in mind. So output is current means at the input side the feedback signal is also current signal. Okay, keep in mind, if output signal is voltage, the feedback signal is also voltage signal. If the output is current, feedback signal is also current signal. Okay, so it is also called shunt series feedback. Current amplifier is also called shunt series feedback. Why? Because at the input we are connecting a parallel connection between the input and the feedback. At the output side we are connecting series and series connection with the output and the feedback. That is why it's called shunt series feedback. And one more name we can give is, since the output is current and at the input side we are connecting in parallel, it is called current shunt feedback. Output is current, okay, and at input side we are connecting the feedback signal with the input in parallel. That is why it is called current shunt feedback. Okay, so next is transconductance amplifier. So in transconductance amplifier, so if we give input voltage, we take the output signal, output amplified signal. So it is called series feedback. Input to feedback signal is also series connection. Output to feedback signal is also series connection. So it is called current series feedback. Why? Because output is current. Okay, output is current and series input we are connecting in series. That's why it's called current series feedback. So next is trans resistance amplifier. That is, input is current, output is voltage. So it is also called shunt feedback. That is, but both input and output we are connecting parallel to the feedback structure. So that is why it is called shunt feedback. It is also called voltage shunt. Output is voltage, at input we are connecting shunt. Okay, so these are the things. So if you have any doubts, let's meet in a Zoom and we'll clear. Okay, thank you.